guys, so this is our first night at an actual campground, and I'm going to show you how we're sleeping tonight. My daughter's sleeping here, the son is sleeping right here. This is our little cockpit area. All the shades are up, and that is how we're sleeping tonight. Okay, so our first night staying in an RV. How was your experience, Jay?
Delicious.
You mean your breakfast is delicious, but how was your experience? Did you sleep comfortably? Yeah? How about you, Charlotte? Did you sleep comfortably?
Comfortably!
Was it?
Yes, very comfortably.
You were comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't sleep too well. I was tossing and turning. I was worried about the heat temperature. There were some times when it was cold. Sleeping on top of the back seat really needed like that extra foam cushion. I could feel like the grooves of the seats. And I was like constantly hearing the heater from the furnace come on. When it came on, like it would wake me up. And Charlotte one time screamed immediately after the furnace came on, and I had to like calm her down. So, you know, given that it was the first night, it was very interesting.
I didn't wake up.
And Jake was actually curled up. It was pretty cold. His face was cold, and I turned the furnace from 72 up to 75.
I'm going to say
76, I think. 76. And finally, at that point, I felt a little bit more comfortable. It was quite an interesting experience. You helping mommy? Don't put your mouth in it. Now they're gonna pull the black tank out.
Red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, red.
You want to take a picture? You gotta take off your mask though. Here we go. Into a what, Jake?
Pueblo.
That's right. This is the Indian Pueblo culture.
Pueblo.
Center.
Pueblo, Mom.
Pueblo.
Pueblo. Pueblo.
Thanks for your education. Oh, look at this artwork right here.
Oh, that's the Pueblo building.
That's pretty cool, huh?
These are Pueblo buildings.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Those are the blue days. Harvest days.
That's pretty cool. On the wall. Draw a picture. Okay, put it on the wall. Let me see your picture. Can you tell me who that is? That's me.
That's me and that's Mommy. Yeah, and I made it front of it.
Oh. I see? A reflection of something?
Yeah.
Yeah. We had to stop at Klein's Corner. We got chocolate, snacks, and headed on our way to Carlsbad. See you soon.